Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So open first the gallery and just to hide for example, this photo, just select it, tap to add to album and tap to private album. So just to find our private album, we should swipe down in albums tab. So tap to OK, got it. Now we should enter our protection method. I'll use the password. So now let's switch photos to albums tab, and to find our private photos, swipe it down. Now we should add our privacy protection method. I'll draw my pattern, and now we can see here these hidden photos. Just to unhide them from here, select them and tap remove from private album, and for example let's move it to the camera roll. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.